Yo, what's up? What's happening? Hip Hop Lives with the business here. Hey, check this out. Been a lot of things going on the website, man, and I want to thank y'all for making it as successful as it is. I see it inspired a lot of people to get their hip hop on, put their poetry on the page, man. It's a big deal to me, and I want to thank y'all personally. You see from my face, MP D Lightfoot. I appreciate y'all making it such a big deal, man. I love reading all you guys' lyrics, man. And y'all some talented MCs and poets and writers and revolutionaries, man, and people that can really lead this world into a better place through music and spoken word and whatever your deal may be. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to give y'all a sign of gratitude. You know what I'm saying? Because I didn't think it'd be like this. I didn't think people would be inspired. I get messages from people that say they're thanking God that I did something like this, or I've helped them get back onto their grind. You know what I'm saying? And as my nigga Reggie said, we're gonna stay on our grind till you see me shine. You know what I'm saying? So keep grinding, man. We got beats coming, we got music, we got whatever you need. You know what I'm saying? Holler the New Breed, the Syndicate. You know what I'm saying? T. Lee, Icon. You know what I mean? It's going down, man, and I really want to let y'all know I appreciate you coming through, blessing the page with your insight and with your knowledge. The world needs more people just like each and every one of y'all, man, and y'all are all very special. And I look forward to working to you in the future. God bless.